In this video tutorial we will see how virtual billboard and push notifications work. We will see it in the platform configured in English, but in the upper right, you can change it with your language. The virtual billboard is below the activities of the day. If you have a lower resolution, you will probably find it in this section. Let's go back to normal view. If you always work with a mobile side platform, the home page is presented in this mode, and the news of the day are in this icon at the top right. Let's go back to desk mode. Everything we write in this area, for example, we write a message and save it, is a message that, on the application side, we will find on the home page. With this arrow, our customers will be able to see all the message we have saved. Therefore, I always recommend to format the push notification message, adding spaces or emoticons, to make it more readable. In the upper right corner, you will find the expiration date. This is because, for example, if this message was an activity related to Friday 8, I would set a date on Saturday 9, so that on this date the message is deleted and does not become old for the user. Once the message has expired, it remains here in view on the platform, with this indication of a red outline, and with the inscription, "News expired." Instead, on the user's phone, this message will disappear. This same message, if important, can be converted into a push notification. That is, a message that the user will also receive with the app turned off and the phone on standby. It's very easy. I'll just have to click on the Send Message button. I can send up to 2 push notifications a day. I click OK and the message has been sent. Attention, as you can see, it says here that the notification was sent to 4 customers. It's important because, if I'm going to see how many customers I have on this test account, it's 10, which means only 4 of the 10 received the notification. This may be because the customer has not yet downloaded the app, or refused consent to receive notifications. In this case, to view users who have not received the push notification, select the reporting section, a few minutes after sending the notification. As it is not a synchronous activity, it is better to wait a little before going to see the customer report. By downloading this report, we can see that we will find all our names and, in the last column, the date and time the last notification was received. Therefore, when there is an empty field, it means that these clients have not activated the notifications. Then my job will be to encourage them to activate them. In the example we just made, the notification arrives this way on the customer's phone, and, by clicking on OK, the BookyWay page will open directly.